$1.
Bro, it's not even doing anything.
$10. Come on! Ah!
That's not even close to strong enough.
$50. Come on, shark!
I'm scared of sharks, but this one's weak.
Hey, stop! Bro, you broke it! $100. Come on!
Spider-Man boat is weak.
No! $500 boat. I have a good feeling about this one. Ah! Come on! Fight! No!
Bro, oh, your boat sucks.
No, hey, stop! $1,000 boat. If this pulls him, you have to subscribe. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Oh, yes! No, it's pulling him! Subscribe!